We don't really view anybody as competition. When we're all on the same level, we outshine them in service, communication, workmanship, and we're gonna go to sleep at night knowing that we did the best by our clients, and that's good enough for all of our clients. We started our company in 2016. We serve the Northeast Pennsylvania region. Our winters are real harsh. We're seeing gutters getting ripped off of houses because of the snow and ice load. We're seeing debris fill the gutters, or they're just not draining adequately. So the solution that we bring to the table is the Alu-Rex product, Double Pro. It's a superior fastener and it's an amazing gutter guard. The double layer prevents anything from getting through, from the grit to the pine needles. Nothing's getting through there other than the water. Because of the design of the Double Pro, it keeps all the snow and ice above the smaller holes that are there, and then it only allows it in the warmer temperatures above 32. It just drains. It's like a bathtub faucet. Turn it on and watch it drain. So we were so excited to get with Alu-Rex about the Double Pro because of their warranties. With the lifetime structure and clog-free aspect, we've been able to put a 20-year workmanship guarantee on all of our projects. So if you have anything going on with your system, either we're covering it or the manufacturer is. You're having somebody who's willing to put their name behind it, and that's good enough for all of our clients.